Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com, where we will be discussing question. A customer opened a file attachment and now her PC is infected with ransomware. She is unable to open any of her files. Which action would you take first? Option A, reinstall the operating system. Option B, run an antivirus scan. Option C, pay the ransom to recover the data. Option D, disconnect the PC from the network. Option E, restore files from backup. The correct answer of the question: the recommended action to take first in response to a ransomware infection is option D. Disconnect the PC from the network. By disconnecting the infected PC from the network, you can prevent the ransomware from spreading to other devices and minimize further damage. After disconnecting, you can then proceed with other actions such as running an antivirus scan, restoring files from backup, and taking steps to remove the ransomware. It is generally advised not to pay the ransom, as there is no guarantee that the attackers will provide the decryption key, and paying may encourage further criminal activities. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.